Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Tayyab Tasnim Rafa. Today our topic is tropical cyclone. In this video, we tried our best to make you clear on the facts. So here we go. Tropical cyclone, also called typhoon or hurricane, an intense circular storm that originates over warm tropical oceans and is characterized by low atmospheric pressure, high winds and heavy rain. In a picture, we can clearly see how tropical cyclone looks like. Drawing energy from the sea surface, a tropical cyclone generates winds that exceed 119 km per hour. In extreme cases, winds may exceed 240 km per hour and gusts may surpass 320 km per hour. In another picture, we can clearly see the types of different kind of tropical cyclone in that. Basically, every year during the late summer months, tropical cyclone occurred in North America, northwestern Australia and eastern India and Bangladesh. Thank you.
Now I will talk about characteristics of tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclone is a rapidly rotating storm over tropical oceans from where it draws the energy to develop. There are some important characteristics of tropical cyclone. They are size of tropical cyclone, pressure, intensity, movability, direction, areas, identification, and a circular center of a cyclone. Basically, its diameter is typically around 200 to 1500 km, but can reach around 1000 km. Its central pressure varies between 50 to 60 MB. They develop mostly in the tropical oceans between 5 degree to 20 degree latitudes. A tropical cyclone brings very violent winds, torrential rain, high waves and coastal flooding. The winds blow counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere.
Hello everyone. Now I am going to tell you about the formation process of tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclones originate in warm ocean water near the equator. Cyclones generate when moist and warm air rises upward near the ocean surfaces and it forms a low pressure area beneath it. The water in the air generates cloud as the wind system rotates faster and faster and eye forms in the center. A cyclone center is calm and clear and it has a low pressure area also. The wind rises and becomes buoyant due to the temperature difference between the warm and cooler environment. The wind spirals around the low pressure area because of the Coriolis effect. When the wind speed surpasses 74 miles per hour, a storm is known as tropical cyclone. Thank you everyone.
A tropical cyclone can occur at any time in the year, but it is a common occurrence during the distinct season. Surprisingly, most cyclones can form in the afternoon. There are some special factors that can help to form a cyclone. They are sufficiently warm sea surface temperature, atmospheric instability, high humidity in the lower to middle level of the troposphere, enough Coriolis force to sustain a low pressure center, a pre-existing disturbance, low vertical wind. They are the essential factors that can later form a tropical cyclone.
Assalamualaikum. Let's talk about the effect of tropical cyclone on environment and human. The effect of tropical cyclones include heavy rain, storm wind, large storm surges near landfall and tornadoes. Tropical cyclones remove forest canopy as well as change the landscape near coastal areas by moving and reshaping sand dunes and causing extensive erosion along the coast. Even while inland, heavy rainfall can lead to landslide in mountainous areas. Fallen trees can block roads and the stagnant water can cause the spread of diseases. Communication infrastructure may have been destroyed, hampering cleanup and rescue efforts. Nearly 2 million people have died globally due to tropical cyclones. Economic losses and future vulnerability are greatest impact in affluent countries with developed infrastructure. Despite their devastating effects, tropical cyclones are also beneficial by potentially bringing rain to dry areas and moving heats from the tropics forward. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Tazmina Fatima Mahita. Today I will describe about the prevention measure of tropical cyclone. The best way to prevent cyclone is change your location if possible. Keep in mind, cyclone is a massive low pressure that is not preventable by human. Before cyclone, we can take some steps such as plant trees, avoid constructing on no building zone, prepare emergency kit. During cyclone, we should disconnect all electrical mains, gas supplies, keep doors and windows bolted, drink uncontaminated water, trust warning from official only. After cyclone, we should avoid entering damaged building, move to a safer shelter as soon as possible. Most important thing is increase up.
I am Rabia Binte Mahbub. Today my presentation topic is tropical cyclones in Bangladesh. Due to unique geographic location, Bangladesh suffers from many devastating tropical cyclones every year. Tropical cyclones are strike in Bangladesh in two seasons: pre-monsoon April and May, post-monsoon October and November. According to wind speed, Bangladesh faces four types of tropical cyclones. The most affected cyclone districts are coastal areas. At least 12 major tropical cyclones hit the country since 1965, which causes major destruction. Tropical cyclones are vulnerable for our country. As it is a natural disaster, we cannot reduce it, but we can reduce the damage caused by tropical cyclones taking preventive measures appropriately. That's all our video. Thanks for watching. Hope all of you guys are enjoying it.